Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss this page is having a problem error in Microsoft EDG fix. Click search, then type REGEDIT. Click Register Editor, run as administrator. Select Yes. Paste the link. The link will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Click on the right button from Microsoft and click on New. Then click K. Type EDGE. Right click on the mouse, click New. Click DWORD 32-bit below. Paste the name. The name will be given in the video description box. Double click. Set value to 0. Click OK. Thanks for watching.